Since all things culinary and videography are two of my special interests, I thought I would make this film about how to make pan-fried tacos. To make breakfast tacos, you will need flour tortillas that will fit the bottom of a sauté pan. You will also need olive oil or some other type of vegetable oil, along with 2 eggs and a quarter cup of shredded cheese. Crack the eggs into a liquid measuring cup and beat them with a fork. I like using liquid measuring cups because they have a lip that makes the eggs easier to pour. Put some oil in a pan and heat the pan over medium-high heat. Wait until the pan is hot. You will know the pan is hot if you add a few drops of water and the pan hisses as the water turns into steam. Pour the eggs into the pan. Add a quarter cup of shredded cheese. While you can make this without cheese, the melted cheese will help bind the ingredients together. Place the flour tortilla on top of the eggs and cheese. Use a scraper spatula to lift the bottom edge and tilt the pan so that raw egg flows underneath. Keep repeating this process until the egg no longer flows. The easiest way to flip the tortilla over is to use a second pan. When the eggs are no longer flowing, flip the contents into a second pan so that the flour tortilla is face down. Fold the taco in half. Cook the contents until both sides are golden brown. To make any other kind of pan-fried taco, you will need a pre-cooked filling. As with the breakfast taco, put some vegetable oil in a pan. Add the flour tortilla. Since you won't be working with liquid eggs, use a large frying pan to make it easier to flip the taco. Place the filling on top of the tortilla along just half of one side. For this taco, I am using seasoned ground beef that I fried with onions and garlic. Add a quarter cup of shredded cheese. Flip the tortilla in half and let it cook until the bottom is a crisp golden brown. And there you have it. Crisp, pan-fried tacos made the old-fashioned way, as they were long before the days of Taco Bell and the use of ready-made taco shells.